Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be working on a scrapbook layout. This is the field trip for Camp Sewee, and I am going to be doing the introduction page. You guys already know I like to do a main page and then my pocket pages whenever I have too many pictures to scrapbook. It just helps me get them done sooner, to be honest. But Mike's with me. Say hello, honey.
Hello.
He's doing the voiceover with me because he went to Camp Sewee, of course. He, like I told you guys before, maybe you didn't see it or haven't seen the video, Michael was a chaperone for this field trip, and that is partially because whenever the kids have like an overnight field trip or something that's traveling quite amount of distance, I feel more comfortable with one of us going, and it usually ends up being him because he has more, what is it, freedability, like more in between his schedule with the fire department. He has more flexibility to go to these kind of things, and he's the fun parent. Are you?
I guess.
And so the kids just love it when he goes. So tell us about Camp Sewee. But wait, before you tell us about it, you guys, I'm just gonna be using the Kaiser Paradise Found paper for this event in my sticker book. That's really it. So okay, babe, tell us about Camp Sewee. What did you learn?
Camp Sewee is a thing that they, I believe it's funded by either Clemson or US. I think it's Clemson University, but I could be wrong. A lot of the teachers or instructors, or whatever you would call them,
Our students.
I don't know if they're students, but they might be post grad. It might be their job afterward. Some of them were from different states, and they had gone to school down here and just stay or get involved in a program, and ended up being what they said was going to be temporary. It was long term, and because they enjoyed it, I guess. I don't know.
So was it like you learned about the marine life, or
Yeah,
what
they
was
did.
it?
They taught the kids about marine life and about different stuff in the I don't know how to say it, like the trees and the animals and the water and there's different effects and the different types of environments around there, close to the ocean, obviously. So they had different things set up like any other camp would, where they take the kids to different areas, and like for example, they took them out by the dock, and they had them fishing with nets to see if they could catch anything. They had them fishing for crabs, and if they caught anything, which the crabs weren't too hard to catch, and
We actually have, sorry to interrupt you, but we actually have a picture, and you guys will see it in the pocket page. Adriana holding a crab, which is something that I would never do.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I don't like touching animals.
Yeah.
It's like, ugh. But it's super cool to capture that picture of her holding the little crab.
Mm-hmm.
And then she came back home talking about her favorite bird is now a laughing something. And she actually yesterday when we were watching the Netflix show Our Planet, they were talking about birds, but she's like, Mom, my favorite bird is a laughing
Gull.
A laughing gull. She's like, you want to know how they laugh? And she spent like minutes just bird calling how they laugh or whatever. It was super funny. But okay, keep going, honey.
No, so aside from that, they went into I don't know what you would call it, but they would. Mine is like a bog or whatever, where they had to wear boots, and it was super muddy, and it was hard to keep the kids from getting completely nasty in there.
So how many kids did you chaperone, or how many kids did you have in your group?
I believe it was 8 in our group. It was me and another chaperone
So
plus a
4
teacher.
each?
Yeah, I mean we didn't. We just kept them.
Did you lose any kid?
Oh well, I mean we kept the same head count, so you
Brought
know,
somebody else
yeah,
up?
maybe brought another kid down there we found, but so
And okay, we're oh, okay, finish. Sorry.
no, it's I mean, and then they went to got on a boat. And they took us off to a beach and everything else, and the probably the highlight for a lot of the kids was looking for shells on the beach, and so they and all types of creatures. And of course, there was jellyfish everywhere, and so you had to watch the kids, but they were smart enough to keep away from it. They know that's going to sting them and everything.
What was your favorite overall? What was your favorite memory of this trip with your daughter, or just favorite memory?
I enjoyed the beach time. It was a long walk. I think we by far the longest time we spent anywhere was at the beach. We were there for hours, but they liked it. The kids were really excited anytime they saw something new, and they were just it was anything you could do to just try and keep them together and gathered up because all they wanted to do was pick up every single shell, and you actually had to focus them because they
Adriana brought home a lot.
yeah. As soon as they stepped on the beach, there were shells, and we're trying to convince them that there was going to be plenty of opportunities to grab even better shells. So, but that was probably the best part of the whole entire field trip.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I enjoyed it. It was a good experience.
That's it?
Yeah, it was good. I liked it.
Okay, say goodbye, sweetheart. Get off my voiceover.
All right. All right. All right. Goodbye, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video.
Anyways, guys, well, we will leave you here because you guys in a few minute or so you're gonna watch the complete pocket pages and everything else that I filmed for these pictures. You know, I sent my husband with the camera, and I demanded in a nice way that he take a lot of pictures, and he actually did. So anyways, I hope that you guys like it, and we will see you in a little bit for the final look of all the pages. Okay guys, so here is our final page of the video that you guys saw, and I'm going to show you my pocket pages and then the additional layout that I ended up creating. I pre-warned you that I had like a lot of pictures, so I ended up using like 2 pocket pages, but here's the one we just worked on, and then here is what the back looks like. And then wait, I always have them in reverse. Here is the first pocket page. Just kept it very simple. Honestly, I just wanted the pictures to speak for themselves without having to put a lot of background on them. Here's the back of that. And then here is the third one. And then the back of that. Just kept the really pretty seashell paper in there. And that is going to be the scrapbook pages for Camp Sewee. So I hope that you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.